Hi, I'm David with General Air. Today I'm working on this aluminum hitch basket. I'm adding a second layer onto it, make it a little bit taller so things don't fall out. I've already added some uprights and I made the top piece just out of some aluminum angle. But I wanted to take some time and talk about the tools that I used that made this project really easy. This is a Miller Dynasty 280. I really like this machine because it's a smooth machine. It's got a water cooler on it, keeps the torch nice and cool in your hands, and it's got some good features for alternating current, like of course a balance control and a frequency control, and most machines have that, but the Dynasty just does it on another level. I've mentioned this flap disc before, but it's worth mentioning again. This is the Walther Enduro aluminum. And as you can see on the backside, it has this special coating on it to keep it from clogging up while you're grinding aluminum. This will take away material and it will blend very, very well. Certainly my favorite flap disc, or really any abrasive, for aluminum projects. When the flap disc just isn't enough and you need to take out a lot of aluminum, this is the tool that I reach for. This is an aluminum-specific carbide burr made by a company called Ferd. These things work awesome. You just gotta be careful that you don't take out too much material. There it is, we've got our aluminum project done. Now, aluminum can be a little bit tricky, and if you're tackling your first aluminum project, go down to a local General Air store. We have the welders, the abrasives. We also have people on staff that have been there before. They've welded aluminum, they've done their own projects, and they have great advice, and they can guide you through your project. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please like and follow us on Facebook. If you're in the Denver metro area, be sure to check out our hobbyist welding classes, available Thursday night, Saturday morning, and Saturday afternoon. If you're looking for more in-depth education, please check out our General Air Welding Academy.